In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from Sofi to Cash App. Whether you're new to these platforms or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can do it with ease. First things first, grab your phone and open the Cash App. If you don't have it installed yet, you'll want to download it from your App Store and set up your account. The Cash App interface is user-friendly with a sleek design that makes navigation straightforward. Once you're in the app, direct your attention to the banking tab, which you'll find at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and you'll be presented with several options. Here, you want to look for and tap on Add Bank. This is where you'll initiate the process of linking your Sofi bank account to Cash App. Now, you have the choice to enter your Sofi bank account details manually or connect through Plaid, which is a secure service that simplifies the process by connecting your bank account quickly and safely. If you choose Plaid, follow the prompts to log into your Sofi account, and it will automatically link your account to Cash App. Using Plaid is generally faster and more secure, so it's a good option if you want to save time. With your Sofi account successfully linked, you're ready to transfer funds. Go back to the banking tab and tap on Add Cash. This is the function that allows you to pull money from your Sofi account into your Cash App. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be sure to double check the amount to avoid any errors. Once you've entered the desired amount, confirm the transfer. This step is crucial as it ensures that the transaction is processed correctly. After confirming, your money will be pulled from your Sofi account into Cash App. And there you have it. The transfer process is complete, and you've successfully moved your funds from Sofi to Cash App. This method is not only convenient but also secure, allowing you to manage your finances efficiently across these platforms. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore other features within Cash App and Sofi to make the most out of your financial management tools. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process clear and simple for you.